Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopper block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an Italian beef pizza, homemade. Alright, an easy recipe. And the only thing you're going to need is some Italian beef. If you already had some, or you want to go to the store and buy you some, that'll work. Make sure you drain most of the liquid out of it. And here's mine right here. If you guys watch my video, I think about a couple of weeks ago, I made Italian beef. But here's that. I have froze mines right here. And I have some giardiniera right here. I have some red pepper sliced up, and I have some pepperoni right here, and I also have some onions. Then also I have over here, there's some fried cheese, blend cheeses right here, granulated, and I have some provolone and mozzarella right here. And I'm gonna use this right here for my marinara. Never used it before, but we're gonna find out what it tastes like. Okay, let me just go ahead and get into it. Go ahead and put some of this sauce over here on deck. I'm using a thin crust pizza. I got this from the Dollar Tree. We're just gonna make sure we put enough sauce on here, because we want it all the way to the edge, like so. And when I tell you it's the bomb, it is. I'm not going to even lie to you guys. You guys need to check out some of these recipes I got going on. I will leave a link to the Italian beef once again, so that you guys are new to never seen it be done before. That's right, I'm the best in Illinois that I know of. I've been eating Italian beef since I was a little kid for over 30 some years. And so far, I came up with the best recipe. No disrespect to no one out there. Until you try it, don't knock it till you try it, guys. I've been perfecting this for many years. Alright, since I got that on there, I'm gonna come up with this fried cheese on here to help the cheese stick a little bit. Just like so. I'm covering with some mozzarella, provolone and mozzarella. About a cup right there. All right, come in here with this pepperoni. Just like that. I'm not a professional chef or nothing like that, but I cook like one. I'm just trying to show you guys something easy to do in the summertime, you know, for your kids or something. That's all I'm doing. I'm gonna take some more mozzarella, put it on top of this, like so. Then I'm gonna come in here with my Italian beef. Don't be scared to use your hands. Just throw you some in there. Mine is really thin. I do have some sweet peppers in there as well. I'm gonna throw that on there as well. The family will definitely love you guys for this. Mine definitely do. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I think this is about enough. That should be enough for everyone right there. I'm coming here with some of the giardiniera. This is my homemade version. You can go buy you one at Aldi, Walmart, or whatever the case may be. They got mild or spicy. This one here is semi-spicy. Alright, guys. That's enough. I'm gonna come in here with some of these red bell peppers. throw them over here any type of way you want. You want to take your time to make it look pretty, you can. I try to spread mine out as much as possible. That should be enough. Now I'm going to come in here with some of these onions. Alright. Now we're going to dust this again with some of this fried cheese blend. Guess what I'm gonna do now? To kick it up a notch, I'm gonna take a little bit more of this sauce and I'm just like drizzle some over there. Right there. And that should be it. Then we're gonna come with our cheese. Our last dip in the hands of the cheese. Just like this, guys. Yes, sir. There you have it, right there. Italian beef pizza, 101. Easy recipe, homemade, just for you. So guys, please try this out. Make sure you have your oven preheated at 350. Because remember, we're working with a thin crust. We don't want our thin crust to burn. Put a little bit more Parmesan on here, just for measurement. This really does help the cheese to stick instead of running. Okay, that's it. So that's what we should be looking like, guys. Just like that. We're gonna put this bad boy in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. All right, see you guys when this gets done in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm done with this Italian thin crust pizza, beef pizza. Let me show you guys that up close. That's how it looks. And it's off the chain, guys. Definitely make you some of this, okay? It's real super delicious. So, please guys, please, if you find this video helpful, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out of here. Much love.